In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your Freebie PDF to Wix for download. Start by opening your Wix site editor so you are on the main workspace canvas for the page where you want the download option to appear. Once you are there, go to the left side of the editor and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the content and design tools you can place directly onto your page. From the Add Elements panel, move to the button category. Hover over it so you can see the available button styles. Choose a text button design that fits the look of your site, then drag that button onto the section of the page where you want visitors to find your freebie. Try to place it somewhere clear and easy to notice, especially if this PDF is meant to be a lead magnet or featured download. After the button is on the page, click on the button itself. A small floating toolbar will appear near it. On that toolbar, click the link icon, which looks like a chain. This opens the linking options for the button and lets you decide what happens when someone clicks it. In the Link Options panel, select Document. This tells Wix that the button should open or download a file instead of sending visitors to another page or website. Then click the blue Choose File button to connect your PDF. Next, click Upload Media, and then choose Upload from Computer. Browse to the PDF file on your computer, select it, and wait for the upload to finish. Once the file has uploaded successfully, click Add to Page. This attaches the PDF to your button so visitors can access it through that link. When the document has been added, click Done to close the link settings. Now update the button text so it clearly tells people what they are getting. A simple label like Download Free PDF works well because it is direct and easy to understand. Finally, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This is the step that makes your changes live, so your site visitors can actually use the button and download the file. That covers everything you need to know.